I spent $7,500 on designer shit. Why? Because I'm a idiot, that's why. I'm not gonna sugarcoat this to you guys. I like expensive things. I have an expensive taste. I work my ass off to get these things, even though I will admit some of these things were bought by my boyfriend. A lot of the other stuff I bought myself because I decided to just splurge on myself. I haven't done a shopping haul like this in so long. So I was like, why not just do it? And especially now that I have a YouTube channel and I thought this could be like a fun video for you guys and I to connect over. So I was like, let me just do this. Let me get everything that I want in one shot and just film it and show it to you guys. A lot of these things, I feel like they could be worn a bunch of different ways. Like you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I actually started to like kind of find my personal style more and more. And it's more of like that dressed down kind of girl. Like I'm just gonna wear this old ass Abercrombie ratchet tank top that I've stained with tomato sauce like 700 times, bleached that so many times. Like if she had hair, she'd be bald. And then I also started to make my own sweatpants just because any kind of sweatpants that I get, I'm 5'9.5". I'm tall, okay? Like I'm not a small girl. I get camel toes. Like any high-waisted pants, any high-waisted sweatpants, like I'm just so tired of getting camel toes, so I decided to start a brand and it's called Not Busted. And if you guys want to check it out, it's dropping very soon. This is the Instagram, it's called Not Busted Official. And if you guys want to check in with me on a more personal level, this is my personal Instagram right here. It's at Miss Leanna Sky. But yeah, so these are the sweatpants that I made and I'm obsessed. Like they're long enough because all the sweatpants that I always got were short. I love the thick band and they just fit so well. Like, do you guys see a camel toe? Like, I don't. I fucking love these. They don't have pockets because I haven't learned how to make pockets into sweatpants yet. So that's probably, that should be like something that I should probably learn to do considering I like to put things in my pockets. But so yeah, anyways, a lot of these things that I picked up, I was getting them because obviously I like them. Like you're not gonna spend $2,000 on a purse and not freaking like it. And if you do, because somebody else has it or you're just following a fashion trend, to me, that's personally not the smartest thing to do because you're not really gonna like the item. Take it from me, I have these items that I got when I just was following a specific trend and it's literally just sitting tucked away in my closet and I hate the item. But for some odd reason, I don't wanna sell it either. So I'm just hoarding it at this point, which that's a bad quality as well. So don't do that. So yeah, so buy things you like, buy things that are authentic to yourself. Buy things that actually resonate with your personal style. I feel like I'm more of like a tomboyish girl. Like I'd rather wear like sweatpants and a tank top and like beat up sneakers, but I like to have like an expensive glasses and like a nice bag just because I feel like that completes the outfit. So for my brand, it's gonna be more streetwear, very laid back, very casual, but very like sexy at the same time where if you throw on like a Dior bag and Chanel glasses, you're gonna look fire, girl, all right? So that will be dropping soon. Listen, who gives a fuck? Let's unbox these things. We did get some things for him, so if you are a guy watching this video, you're in for a treat because you are going to be seeing some cute things that you want to buy maybe for yourself. What should I start with? You guys, this is like a dream come true. Like, I work hard. Stop it. I work hard, okay? And it was my birthday, girl. Like, hello. All right, girl, bye. Let's go unbox these things now. Let's go. I don't know. What should I do first? Okay, let's go with the Gucci. So this was actually purchased at an outlet store, and I will be telling you guys what I purchased at an outlet store and what I purchased at a real store. I guess like a boutique. So this was purchased at an outlet store, and this is something that my boyfriend got me for my birthday. And I have been wanting this little bag for years. And it's this little belt bag, which comes with like a belt that you insert in the back. So I put the belt on it. So we paid $600 for this. This is something that I've wanted for years. But I guess like 2 years ago when I was first starting on my YouTube channel, when I was first starting to take trading really seriously, I didn't have a car. I was literally like living at my friend's apartment. Things were really bad, so I'm not gonna go and drop $1,200 on a bag, and you should not do that either. If you are in my position, you should either work your ass off, save some money. You can go to the outlets, which offer really, really good prices. Like they had a lot of bags that were like $600, $700, $800. from bags that were like $2,000, like $1,800 at the store like a year or two ago. So this is something that I always wanted. It's the same color that I've been dying to get. And I love this bag. So I just love the idea that, like, for example, look at this outfit. Like, you can wear this bag with this outfit and it looks super freaking cute. Also, you can wear it like crossbody, which I think is super cute if you're like sporty, if you're going for the sporty look. So this is my purchase number one. I'm so freaking happy. I like love this little bag. In my eyes, if you have expensive accessories, you can dress a white t-shirt up and black leggings. If you put on the right shoes, the right sunglasses, the right accessories, you are golden. I'm pretty basic. I don't really like all those like frilly dresses and like, I don't know, this shit's not for me. I don't know. Let's go for the Dior. So this is another bag that I've wanted for maybe like a year. You know, like the Dior tote bags, I've wanted that for so long, to the point that I actually went on Canal Street and got mine, and I paid $80. I even haggled with the dude. I was like, I'm not paying you $100, I want $80. I just really wanted the bag. I wanted to wear it to the beach, and I fell in love with it. I remember when I was initially looking it up, it was like $39.50 for the big one or something like that, $36.50, like one of those prices. And I was like, what? Like, fuck no. Like, I stained this so many times. Why am I gonna spend $4,000 on a bag? I probably will stain. Guess what? The fake one that I own, never stained, never dropped anything on it. But anyways, so I really fell in love with the design and I fell in love with the pattern. It was $21.50. You guys ready? What's this? I'm obsessed with this bag. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I am freaking obsessed with this. Like, obsessed. Obsessed. Like, look, I've been wearing this out and I'm keeping it like pristine. And also, I have a little trick for you guys to make sure that if you spill something on the bag, it doesn't stain. It's called Scotch Guard and it's fabric water shield. You spray this on the fabric bag that you have and it's going to protect it from any like stains or spills that you may have, but you have to clean the bag right away. So this is water resistant. So for water resistant spills, they already treated my bag with this. I was really nervous when I got this bag because I'm like, I'm a klutz, I spill shit. Hello, I just spilled tomato sauce on my pants the other day. Like, got home, tried to eat tomato sauce all over myself. Why? So anyway, so I got this and I was really nervous and I was like, how do I wear this like comfortably? So this little Scotch Guard is definitely gonna prevent you from getting stains on your canvas bags. It comes like with this little chain, which is nice because you can wear it multiple ways. So you can wear it crossbody or you can take the chain off and you can just wear it as like a clutch, which is really awesome because I needed a clutch as well. But for some reason, I just feel like this looks super cute with like, do you see what I mean? Like, I just really like the style. Like, I like how this pockets that I don't have. I feel like this just looks amazing. I feel like this looks so freaking cute. This is my first big purchase. $21.50, $23.50 with tax. Okay, girl, bye. I don't know. Is it expensive? Yes. Does it make me happy? Yes. Did I work hard for it? Yes. So far, you know, I'm probably not gonna drop another $1 unless it's on Canal Street. Got this little receipt from them, just in case there's people out there that are saying that, oh, she bought it on the street and now she's showing it off to get viewers. No, like, this is the receipt from Dior. Anyway, so let me show you some of the things that we got, that me and my boyfriend got for him. So if you're a guy, you're really gonna appreciate this because we got him shoes and they're from Fendi. This is from the outlets. Retail price for this was $11.50. I think, I don't know how much we paid, like $6.50. So the bag was literally half off and the shoes were half off. And it actually, a funny story about that. So we walked into the store, and we really liked the shoes, but they only had size 14 and like 11, he's a size 13. So like we're really upset because he really wanted the shoes because they're really dope. Like, look at the shoes. Like, these are dope for a guy. And so these were actually just like sitting in a corner, like on display. And the lady was like, oh no, like those are not a size 13. But my boyfriend's like, he walks over there like right before we were about to leave the store and he's like, these are a size 13. And he literally looks at me, he's like, that woman almost just lost like a sale and some commission because she was like too lazy to actually go and check. So we were just like, whatever, like we don't really care, but we were just happy that we got these shoes. I think these are dope. Like, these are so cool. Let's go, you know what? Let's keep the dudes on in this video. So we also got him a hoodie. And so it's a basic black hoodie and it's from Burberry. But you guys, look at the back. No, you don't get it. There's a zipper here. It's so cool. I think it's so cool. And I think we paid $4.50 for this. Like, I think it's just so cool. You can like unzip it. I don't know. I think it's dope. We paid $4.50 for this, and the retail price I believe was like, yeah, it says $650 on the tag. But when we were looking online, it said a lot more. Maybe because it was like resellers trying to resell it. But this is a really cool hoodie. It's a really cool hoodie. God, can I not speak today? I think this is really cute. He just needed some like designer pieces for his wardrobe as well. And I think it will look really good with like dark jeans or even like light gray jeans, the Fendi shoes and the hoodie. I think it's gonna be dope. Let's do the Chanel. Let me show you what I got at Chanel. So this, I went into the boutique by myself and I purchased these items all by myself because I always really wanted to buy something at Chanel, but I could never really afford to get anything at Chanel. So let me show you two things I got. I got a little bag and I got sunglasses. So the sunglasses are very interesting because they're very big, but here's the thing, that's the only bougie thing that I think I will ever really like to wear is big sunglasses. So they give you a case that comes with the sunglasses, and as they should, because I think these were about like $650 or something like that. Girl, I love these. These are so cute. Like, look at this. I don't know, I think they're awesome. I think they're awesome. Like, that's what I'm telling you. Just wear something like this with like cheap ass like looking tank top and like you're golden. Personally, I don't like dressing up. I think it just, I've done YouTube try-on hauls with that stuff on, and then I think it looks great, but it's just not my personality. I'm a Gemini, I'm crazy, I'm sporadic, I'm spontaneous, I'm nuts. Like, what do you want? So this is, these are the glasses. I think they're so cool. Wow, the whole room was like really dark, but let me just keep them on and show you what I got. I got my first cute Chanel bag that I paid for myself. This is adorable. Again, it's not like a bag with a chain. It's a little clutch. I think this was $1,200. Oh my God, ow, my weave. I can't wear my sunglasses like this because my weave. Okay, so I got this little Chanel clutch thing. It's like an iPad bag. Here's my thing. I don't understand how this is bigger than half of their bags in the store and it's so much cheaper and it's actually so much nicer. I can fit my keys in here, my cell phone in here, my makeup in here, and this bag still looks cute. This is something that I would actually wear. Let me take this little sticker thingy for you guys off. I would actually wear this out if I was just like going out to like a dinner or a lunch, obviously with my boyfriend or anyone that I feel safe around wearing this bag. I think it's super cute. I really do. I just think it's like, whatever. I just think it's like, it's just so adorable. Like, I'm sure, like, it's just such a cute clutch. Like, you can wear it to a wedding. You can wear it so many different ways. And you don't necessarily have to be like super dressed up to wear this out. Like, I would totally just wear this out right now. But so yeah, so this is the bag. And last but not least, so I got Dior perfume. And here's my thing. I walked into the store when I was getting my first Dior bag and I sprayed this on myself. I sprayed this perfume on myself and it lasted me the whole day and through the night. So I absolutely fell in love with it and I was like just telling my boyfriend, like, please let's go back to the store, I need to get it. So he ended up getting me this perfume for my birthday and this smells absolutely amazing. Like, a lot of people will say that it smells like an old grandma, but it doesn't. It just smells rich. It smells expensive. It smells like money. Who doesn't want to smell like money? I want to smell like money. Thank you so much, by the way, for watching this whole entire luxury unboxing haul. If you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a comment down below. I don't think I will be going out anytime soon and spending $7,500. I will see you guys again with a brand new video next week. Drop a comment down below if you are new. If you like this video, if you want to see other videos, I make this content for you. So please let me know what you want to see. And I hope you guys subscribe. I hope that I earned your thumbs up with my craziness. Hello. All right, but I'm gonna go clean this up because I just filmed this in my parents' bedroom. All right, I'm done. Like, I'm such a loser. Goodbye.